another lovely margarita. Hi guys, this is not a face wash routine. I'm back to make another delicious margarita, and we're gonna make a raspberry margarita. Got all my ingredients, again, set it in the fridge. Come on, tag along, let's go. I'm coming with all my ingredients, fresh ingredients, ready to be muddled and squished. We're gonna make a raspberry margarita. I'm trying with all the berries. And I need to go and bring my ice. Give me a second. Oh, before going, actually, when you're making a margarita, obviously, you need the salt rim. I'm gonna use a lemon here. Do a raspberry one. Ooh, actually not a bad idea. It's gonna be lime and raspberry flavored. And salt. We need our raspberries. Drop a couple into your main glass. So I want to taste the bits in my drink. If you don't like it, add this raspberries into your shaker and muddle. Now that we have muddled, we're gonna go and make our margarita. For this one, I'm gonna make it a tad sweeter because I'm using raspberries. So first thing, you need 60 ml tequila. And then you need 30 ml Cointreau, 30 ml simple syrup. Got my lemon here, let's squeeze it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's my half a lemon. And now ice. Should I use these? Perfect. We start shaking. And we're gonna sing bum ba da ba dum bum bum. Ba bum ba da ba dum bum. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Cold. Perfect. Muddled raspberries. I'm gonna add a couple ice. I like it even, so 2 for 6. Make it 7. And I made a flour. And we're gonna pour in our mix together. Come here. Come closer. Here's my flour. And there is our margarita going in. Perfect. Grab your bar spoon and give a gentle swirl so your tequila is well mixed with your raspberry bits. Are those raspberry seeds actually? What are they called? I'm gonna call them bits. We're gonna have that flour all the way, yay! Garnish with raspberry exactly at the center. Let's go and taste it now. Come on. So voila, here's the raspberry margarita. You can see the raspberry bits floating around. If you don't like the pulpiness of this cocktail, strain it. Muddle it in your shaker and strain it. I wanted to taste the bits as well. So let's give it a taste. Cheers. Perfect balance of sourness, sweetness, and the salt. Wow, love it. Berry margaritas, all of them, they taste nice so far. I'm gonna try with other berries as well and let you know which one is my fav. Cheers. So if you like this non-classic margarita, let me know in the comments. If you try it, again, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wear the tipsy duo. I'm gonna come back soon. Cheers.